Hi everyone, good morning. I hope everybody is doing fine. So today let's discuss on how we can install medicines on MedPlus app. It's a very common app which is used to order medicines online and it is delivered at your home. The only thing is you need to have prescription handy with you. So you can see this MedPlus app. Yeah, let's click on it and let's check further. So you can see that there is a search button here. You can see search medicines and general products. So I there are many other options also provided here, like other categories are also mentioned. So let me just quickly check on a medicine Envisa, which is given by my doctor. So once I see the Envisa tablet, if I click on it, I can see that yeah, let me try it again. So like I can see that this tablet is currently out of stock. It's for 225 rupees and 10 units are there, but it is out of stock. So let me check something else. Since it is not available, let's check on other medicine. Yeah, so Calpol, this is a medicine which for my kid for fever. It's a usual medicine for the kids, Calpol. So I'm going to search it. So when I put Calpol, I can see there are various options given for 120 mg, 250 mg. Yeah, so let's go for 250 mg syrup. And I can see that it is for 40 rupees. I can see an option of adding to cart. Here on MedPlus, you get lot of offers as well. You can see it is for 20% flat off if your bill is about 1000. There are other offers as well. And also you can see what are the alternatives given here. So you can see Crocin, the different forms of Calpol which are available. So these things you can see. If you like this product, you can go ahead and add to cart, that is in red. So this is very simple. You search a product, see if you want it, see if you can you also want to go deep into it, check what is the overdosage, side effects, are there any warnings, precautions, or are there any other medicines which we can use for the current medicine which the doctor has asked us to get. So after checking all this confirmation, if you still want to go ahead, you can click on it and you can add it to your cart. Okay. So when I add it to the cart, it asks me what is the quantity, how much I want. So right now let's go for one. So I have added, but also yes, there is a minimum amount required here. So the minimum amount for MedPlus is 200. If you add more than 200 rupees products, then only you can go ahead for the delivery. So that's what. Now I have added Calpol here as one packet, and I will try to add some other options so that the order goes more than 200. So let me put 10 quantity here. Okay, so when I put 10, I can see that it goes about 200, that is 362 rupees now. And now I can easily proceed for the payment option. Okay, so we have saved 40 rupees on it. There were some savings, 10% off savings is applied. So it actually is good when you go for a monthly medicine, when there are monthly medicines of 100,000, 2,000, and you can save 10%. It's a good cost saving. So when I proceed for the options, it asks for patient details. So that's why I'll put my kid's name, Ridhan, and the age is 5. I'll add the doctor's name. So these are the mandatory. It's not mandatory. It is optional, but it's better you put it because every month you will be needing it. Then I'll add you can either go for a home delivery or a store pickup. Okay, so let's go on. For this you need to upload the prescription. So I've asked you to keep the prescription handy. So click on that and you can click on the camera and you can take a picture. If the picture is present, click it. Otherwise you can see if the doctor has sent anything from your gallery. You can also take it from the gallery. Okay, so this is how I'm taking the picture of my prescription currently. Yeah, I've clicked it. I am going to just click on the OK part. So it gets added to it gets captured for the prescription, and I'll go for proceed. Okay. So once I go for proceed, it asks me for the home delivery option, that is the address. I'll still click on proceed. Correct. So now once I go for proceed to payment, I can see that I have to pay 382 rupees. I have added all the details, and there are many options for payment. The simplest way is cash on delivery, or there is net banking. You can use net banking or Google Pay. So you can use all these amounts for the payment. And you can see credit card, you can add your card details, you can use Paytm, you can use Phone Pay as well. So all these options you can use. So right now I'm putting all these options, I'm using net banking, and my order has been placed. So this is how I get my receipt of how to use the so this is how we can see how to use MedPlus and how we can easily install it. So thank you, keep on exploring and let us know. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.